Day 475. How many pieces is this? It's a puzzle without a picture. Guess who's back? I don't know what I'm gonna do about this pallet with rims on it or whatever. These are drums, I think. But for now, I got the battery in. She cranks. But apparently there's a carburetor leak again. And also apparently it's been super moist here because there's like corrosion on things. But cranks, sounds healthy. There's just this like gummy fuel shit here, but I want to just fire it up for today. Man, everything's rusty. I'm not sure I'm going to leave it here again actually. Anyway, so cranks, sounds good. I got everything hooked up here. I'm just going to shoot some flammable substance down the carburetor and see what happens. So basically, I'm going to make a lap around the property here today. This is more of a cold start, old start. But also I don't have my tripod, so I'm one step at a time. I'm going to add some bonus footage though. I got some fun that we had last summer that I haven't posted. Anyway, just came out here. It's the middle of the week, but a friend of mine was coming here to do some work, and I figured, well, why not? Actually, you know who it was? It was Charles, the co-host slash co-owner of the Oldsmobile slash. Oh, you haven't seen too much of him actually. He's working on the Fury, and I haven't, as I record this, actually put any of those videos out yet. So, but anyway, I'm gonna do a quick little cold start on this. Just basically I just gotta add some oil because last time I checked, that's power steering, last time I checked there wasn't much in there. Yeah, slightly lacking, so I'm gonna add a bit of oil, fire up, maybe idle for a bit, and then drive it around and put it back, basically. Yeah, I shoved a bunch of brake clean in the carb. See what happens, I guess. Fucking decent! What? You know, this battery is awesome. Let's see if we can get some fuel up here. I wish I had an alternator. Would definitely help. Oh, for freak's sake. Well, you've shown your true colors, Chuck. There's some some kind of wire down here. Well, okay, I guess we'll let it hang out for a bit. Yeah, I don't think it's the solenoid or anything. I think there's, like, I'll pump the throttle and then all of a sudden I can't start it anymore. Thankfully nothing like this has anything to do with safety. Oh, bother. I guess I'll try to work that out and get back to it. Hours have passed. What I ended up doing actually was taking that positive terminal over there, removing it, cleaning it with brake clean thoroughly, and I put it back together. And let's see what the results are. Fucking pretty goddamn good, I would say. I feel like I should pump the gas. Heck yeah! That's what I'm talking about. And oh, she's back, baby. Hell yeah. Alright. That'll do her. Okay, well, cold start completed. Honestly, it started way better than I expected. Like, I don't understand. I guess I should have tried to start it when it was covered in snow. Alright, it is like 15 or 16 or some such degrees. I don't know. I'm in a t-shirt and a coverall, so... Anyway, there it is. Hope you enjoyed this installment of... Oh, I'm just joking. I'm not done yet. Let me just throw myself on the floor. Here we are under the truck. I've been using this kind of gigolo to gigolo things. Actually, I got all the... Oh, you probably can't hear me because of the freaking wind. I got all the screws that hold... it's dark. Okay, so what you may have missed since last time is I tried to replace this headlight, and as you can tell, it went super well. So somebody sent me a couple of these, and I just started kind of anti-seize penetrating oiling. There's one screw here. I don't know, there's screws. I was penetrating oiling them. So, there we go. I guess I'm going to throw myself on the floor over here. Why not? I don't know if I'll be able to get up again, but... It's all good, right? Oh, friggin' hell. Oh, there's very little light. Oh, it's a lot wetter and colder over here than over there. Bed floor's got some bed floor missing. But, I mean, overall, it's brown but solid, I would say. Anyway, there we go. A bit more light from this side. Spare tire right here. Get a view of these. Get a load of the... Oh, it's raining. Get a load of that. Clipped in here. Beauties. What's that big thing? Oh, that's the gas tank. Right. Oh, there's my straight pipe friggin' right after the cab. Broken right off. She sounds mean and she smells like the poop. It smells like 30-year-old fuel is what it smells like. It's nice to be able to just literally lie down under here. Like if it started raining, I could just get under the truck. But everything's solid. It's just dirty. I bet the Frame Checker 3000 wouldn't find anything in here. What is that? Oh, is that another piece of exhaust? Yep. Jeezless. I don't know where the exhaust is supposed to go, but that's a hint, I guess. Oh boy. Anyway. Not too shabby, if I do dare say so myself. A couple of things need help, but that's an interesting angle. For the most part, it really ain't that bad. I mean, a truck can't be that bad if the side step still freaking stays on, right? Alright. Let me see if I can... Oh, it's raining for real. Alright, that's all, folks. She ran, she started. I wonder if I should do a video with the camera under here when it starts. I don't know, but it's starting to rain. I got boxes exposed. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed. It's a quick little, just walk around and cold start of the truck. Lots coming. That's why I'm under it, really, is because I gotta figure out how the bed is held onto the frame and all that, because it's gonna be a good time. Anyway, like I said, stay tuned. We're gonna put a couple of videos, a little bit of footage from the last summer when it was actually driven quite a lot, and well, quite a lot for a truck that's had for 30 years anyway. And again, like, comment, subscribe, because we're gonna do a lot of work on this. I mean, it's, you know, it's sat for 30 years. It needs a lot of work. And it's all gonna be on the channel. So, I'm gonna get out of the rain.